Players get into groups of 3 with 2 balls between their team. Player A tosses the ball to player B. Player B forearm passes or overhead passes the ball to player C, etc.